Alright. I'm gonna do an unboxing video. So this just came in today. Thank you, Tammy. And let's take a look at it. Here's the main unit. Let's see. Alright, cool. Pretty compact. That's pretty slick. It's got this 220 volts or 110. It's got the adapter. There's the adapter plug. It's 110. Manual. Got some accessory boxes. Let's take a look at this thing. Alright, so this is kind of like the brand new model. I was looking at them, and they did have a different model that people had reviewed online. But this one's like it's got an updated style, so a little more slick looking. Here's your amperage control. Then you got your PSI when you got the air hooked up. And that must be for the control the air. So, let's see what's on the back. Got your air inlet, you got a drain, you got your power switch. Alright. Alright, so the boxes, the smaller boxes we have, here's the ground clamp. And then here's your business end, basically. So that's what does the business. Does the cut in the metal. You got the ceramic cone on there, and then you got a copper electrode. Some consumables came with it. I'm guessing this is the kind that you drag. It probably doesn't, so it's on safety switch. Safety. Pretty cool. Alright, so that's everything that came on the box. Next video we'll hook it up and give it a shot and see what it does. Sounds good.